Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Ford Transit Panel van. Like all our vans, this vehicle has undergone 128 inspection points by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months, plus you get roadside assistance included for the first year with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside here at the dealership. This specific exemplar comes painted in white and the long wheelbase and heightened roof with a 3.5-ton gross vehicle mass configuration. It's in the leader's trim level with some additional extras, such as the front and rear parking sensors and the fog lights. The rear bar-style opening doors are also fitted with chevron stickers, and you also have an amber light at the back of the vehicle fitted onto the roof. Over the rear bumper, you can find the parking sensors and a tow bar with a 13-pin power plug. All doors, including the driver, rear, and sliding door, have also been fitted with additional deadbolts. At the back, you have full wood ply lining over the side panels, floor, wheel arch housings, and sliding doors. Plus, you have lighting fixtures and anchorage points, all available all over the cargo area. Size-wise, you have 138 centimeters in between the wheel arches, 210 centimeters of height at the lowest point of the roof, and an extensive 345 centimeters of fully usable floor space. The cabin is in a 3-seat configuration, with the driver's seat being fully independent and adjustable, and also equipped with an adjustable armrest over the left-hand side. The middle seat offers a foldable tray table with document holder and cup holders. The dashboard offers multiple storage solutions starting from the passenger side and spanning the whole width of the dash. And right in front of the driver you can find a USB Type-A port and a 12-volt cigarette lighter port. The multifunction steering wheel is adjustable both in reach and height, and offers the settings for the infotainment with voice commands and the trip computer. On the right hand side of the driver you can see the toggle for the amber lights and a dial to adjust the headlights. Over the center console you have a DAB radio with Bluetooth capability and USB Type-A ports for both multimedia and phone charging. Underneath you can find the heating controls and some toggles for the traction control, the switch between normal and eco mode, and the parking sensors toggle. The vehicle comes with a 6-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Ford Transit Panel van. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.